zombie over here. We left Idaho at like 9 o'clock. Drove clear to the middle of Utah so we could go hunt some deer with my brother and my brother-in-law, trying to juice every ounce out of the deer hunt that we can, because Sunday it's over. So I'm exhausted. I'm just laying here waiting for them to get here. So hopefully we make the hike. That's it.
You're the most handsome guys.
It's hard. It's hard being this goddamn beautiful. Yeah, all the ladies want me. Most of the men too, even the straight ones.
We got 6 deer right here, and 2 of them look like a buck.
Nothing real big yet, but it looks like a couple small ones. There's supposed to be 2 mature bucks in here, so hopefully we can turn them up on this hillside. We left Idaho to come hunt down here with the bro and the brother-in-law, and we're already on a real nice buck. Big tooth, pretty cool too.
Is the 4x4 bigger, the body wise?
Yeah.
That one laying down has a big body, like it's a beast.
Let's shoot his ass. What are we waiting for?
Yeah, let's dump him. I'm ready when you guys are.
Alright, I think I got it now, guys. That's pretty confusing.
He's tucked in there good. What he doesn't know is his vitals are exposed.
You say hold right here?
Yeah, just a little bit, maybe like 6 inches. Are you recording, dude?
Yeah, I'm ready.
I'm just gonna watch live.
Okay.
So if he happens to miss, I can call the shot.
Tell me when.
Whenever you're ready.
Alright, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Dead.
He didn't even flinch, man. You smacked him so hard and dropped him.
Dead. Right in the neck.
Wow, dude.
That's all I had. I can only see the neck.
Nice shot.
Thanks, dude. That was cool.
Good job, man. Let's scope the hill fast and see if we can find a bigger buck.
That was flipping awesome.
It's so cool.
Saw that wake just going to it and then hit him right in the neck.
Dude, I can only see the neck.
Yeah, it was a good shot. It wasn't a bad.
I'm shaking now.
You didn't ruin any meat. No recoil on that gun, huh?
No, dude.
It doesn't do shit.
That is freaking nice. I can see him laying there.
Beautiful shot, bro.
Let me see that video.
It's awesome when you don't need a follow-up, huh?
Finally got her done. All I could see was the neck from down there.
Got him. He didn't even flinch, man. You smacked him so hard you dropped him.
Nice little forward.
Yeah, that's awesome. That's freaking cool.
Yeah. It's way cool. Pretty deer, dude.
body on it.
Nice. Wow, it's a big body.
Yeah.
God bless.
So crazy that there's no bone in this leg.
Isn't it weird how it's attached like that?
Yeah.
He is nice with that.
You see them coyote tracks?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the call fat.
It wraps around the stomach,
What are you gonna use it for?
and you use it, I mean, even for steaks too. Like if you're cooking it over fire, you see how it's blankety, like sheets. They just wrap where the liver in this and cook it over fire, and then this thin stuff keeps the moisture inside,
Probably keeps the meat.
and then
from getting
oils
dirty.
it from the outside, so cooks it. And then by the time the meal is gone, all the fat will be gone, and then the meat or liver will be all moist.
For nothing. Is that a good liver?
Yeah, it's good.
Looks great.
What's up?
Getting ready to pack him out. Getting the bags loaded right now. Probably half hour, maybe 35 minutes to the truck.
Steep, but close.
Yeah, and we got 4 of us here, so it's not too heavy.
610 yards. Couldn't find the bullet because it just went clean through the neck, so. But that's okay. Appreciate you guys' help.
Where'd you shoot it from?
610 yards. That other ridge over there. We shot down here, southern Utah from northern Utah. 610 freaking yards, one shot with a bazooka, and we saved the meat.
How much meat did you save?
All of it.
Why?
We didn't waste any. So I shot him through the ears. Yeah, I was after a meat buck, so I mean, if he'd have been 700, 800 yards, I probably would have went for vitals, but I mean, anything inside of 650, you probably ought to just go for the neck. You're fine.